Okay, this tutorial is about getting back to basics, and this is for the beginner. So if you're not a beginner, you don't need to watch. And I'm going to show you the basic steps of changing white fondant into a colour. Now, just briefly, you can buy pre-coloured fondants, and that's great. I do use them, but sometimes it's just it can be very expensive to keep buying pre-coloured fondants, especially if you're just wanting a slight different colour for not a very big project. You end up opening the full pack and you know, it just, I'm not saying it gets wasted, but it does dry out once you've opened it over time. So this is just some basic cheap fondant, okay? And this is just white icing that I bought from Tesco, okay? So I'm just going to get some balls, make some balls and put the rest away. And I cover it back with some cling film, okay? And that will keep it from drying out. So I'm going to do the first colour. I'm going to use, not that colour, sorry. I'm going to use pink. This is a make called Colours, and it's ideal for changing the colour of icing or marzipan. You can use it to colour marzipan too. It's not the only thing. And you can use it to colour buttercream as well. So it's quite versatile and it will last you, let's just see, it will last you at least a year. So you'll get a lot of use out of that. Okay, so all you do is you get the fondant, or the amount of fondant that you need, and I use a cocktail stick, like so. And open your pot and put as little or as much as you want. So pink, to make the boys wink, that's what I say. And then close it through and then knead it. Okay, twisting and turning as you go. And then I quicken it up, I roll it into a sausage. So I roll it into a sausage, then I bring it in on itself and roll again. Okay, I'll just quickly do this because you'll be bored. And this is basically it. Okay, now this is a strong pink, but you can make it as pale as you want. I've done it pretty dark so that it shows up on the camera. Okay, so it needs a little bit more. The reason you know this is because you can see some marbling within the colour, and you don't want that. You want it to be a solid block of fondant. So there you go. There's some pink. I hope it's showing as pink. I hope it's showing as pink, like this. And then I'll use some, let's see. This one's a bit sticky and messy because it's quite a wet colouring. I don't know why. This is Wilton's and it's violet, the colour, and it can make a nice lavender. Or a dark purple, I suppose, if you keep going with it. Using a fresh cocktail stick, put some of the colour in, close it through, close it over, and again knead. Knead it for a moment, and then roll, bring it in on itself, roll again, bring it in on itself, and again until you're happy. And this does take a couple of minutes if you're using a small amount. It may take a little bit longer if you've got a huge block, as I know when I do it myself it can take forever. And I tell you what, if you're colouring a large block of white fondant, wow, it's a workout, because you've got to work fast because it dries out. Say for example you want to change the colour of your fondant to pink and it's to cover a cake, you're going to need quite a lot of fondant and you've got to work pretty darn quick or it will dry out. So okay, I've done that as quick as I can. Is there a bit of marbling? There is slightly, but this is just for a demonstration. So that's how quick it is to change the colour of your fondant. Now if you're wanting to make that slightly lighter, so you have varying shades, you just pick up some of the pink and add it to some fresh white fondant and mix. Again using the same process, kneading it to start with and then rolling, bringing it in on itself like so. And keep doing that for a minute or so, maybe less. Okay, and then you have a lighter shade, more of a baby pink, and you can just keep on going and getting different shades, so it doesn't have to be that strong a pink. It can be a pale pink, but it can also be even paler. It depends what colour scheme you're going for and how you want to coordinate. So I hope that's just helped you just to learn from the basics on how to mix colour, and it's as simple as that. These colours here are actually for a baby shower cake that I'm making, and I thought while I'm making the elements I'll show you basically how to mix colour. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Bye.